Now, this is how you can transfer data from one Android device to another Android using the Quick Share. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So Quick Share is built into Android devices, but at first it would make sense to grab both Androids and open up the settings, continue to connect to the devices, and at the top inside of the quick share you can make sure that you actually are visible and that you have everything set up in here in terms of the accounts. Because for example, we have the Samsung account which lets me share with Galaxy devices, as well as Google account which lets me or is used to share with non-Galaxy devices. But you can as well tap on who can share stuff with you and perhaps choose everyone or your contacts so you are visible to other people and so on. And essentially you want to make sure that this is turned on. But once you have it enabled, just go to any place where you have the files stored. For example, in the files manager, you can look up, I don't know, some folders or places, whatever. Just select a file, click on share, and you should be able to find the ability to share it using your specific application of choice. So if you pick a photo or, I don't know, a video or something, then you have the ability to share it over the quick share. So as you can see, this is the option which shows up for me naturally, and I have the ability to share it like that. So this allows me to find the other device if it's available or nearby, and it's gonna, of course, give me the ability to find it and share stuff over. Then it's gonna appear on the other person's phone. So it usually works well. If you're gonna follow all of these steps which I've laid out for you, then I believe that it's gonna work out just fine for you as well. But I really hope that I was able to guide you through it. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.